Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. For today's video guys, we will unbox. Okay, I got this item. I ordered these from Amazon and I've been really wanting to have this for a while now. So I'm really excited to open this and to see how it looks like. Guys, this is just merely unboxing because this is my first time to have this kind of item. I don't have any idea yet, any comparison yet, but it's my first time to have this item. So let's start opening this box. I will not tell you yet what's inside this box, but I've been wanting to have it for a while now because it's really going to be useful in my channel. Okay, let's take this off first, the plastic. Oh my god! Jeez, see? This is what I've been wanting to have for a while now, guys. The ultimate professional USB microphone. It's LE microphone USB professional. Yeah. Yeah, Blue Yeti! Look at that! Oh my goodness! Blue Yeti Ultimate USB microphone for professional recording. LE microphone USB. Okay, this is how it looks like in the other side of the box. Okay. Yeti, legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. An incredibly versatile USB microphone found worldwide. I'm so excited, guys! Woohoo! Because I want to do some ASMR and mukbang. So this is my first professional mic, my first ever mic. So I'm really excited, for this. Okay, let's see what's inside, guys. Let's open it. So I got this from Amazon, $132, including tax. Free shipping. Oops, excited. Let's see what's inside. So guys, this is just merely unboxing. So I don't have any comparison yet because this is my first mic ever. My first professional mic ever. So I will just show you what's inside. So, cord. Okay, first thing to see inside of this is, on top of it is a cord, USB cord. Ta-da! Okay, it's a USB cord. And then, of course, manual. Okay. Excited, and of course, ooh, ta-da! Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh geez, I don't know how to use this yet, guys. Ooh, look. Oh, it's so nice. So you can rotate it like this, guys, to protect the mic itself. So when you're using it, or if you're going to bring it somewhere else so you'll not break the mic, you can rotate it like this, and it has like a protector here below. Here, just a soft pad. Okay, it's beautiful, guys. I've been really wanting to have this. It's my first ever mic, professional mic. So one day I will do some ASMR video and mukbang using this mic. So blue, mute. This is, if you want to mute it. This is the volume. Okay. This is the screw, so you can adjust it if you want to loosen it up or tighten it. Here in this side screw, or side, oops, OMG. And then at the back, see at the back, you can see pattern. So gain. So I don't know yet the use of gain and pattern here. Maybe I will do one more video for this on how to use it. You know, my review if you guys want some review about this. Yeah. So I think that's it. Nothing more inside. Just support. Just foam. Some here for support. So this is all what's inside, guys. It's really nice. It has a soft pad here, so it won't scratch your desk or and it won't scratch any surface. See, it has a soft pad under. Yeah, it looks sturdy. That's my first impression. I find it really beautiful. I find it, so we have to really adjust it here so it won't hit this part, because it keeps on going back. So we have to adjust it here to tighten it. Yeah, we have to tighten it here. Okay, it's tightened. Okay, that's it. The function is mute button, master volume. So this Blue Yeti mic is a proprietary tri-capsule array. 3 premium 14mm tuned condenser capsules. 4 polar pattern selector, stereo, cardioid, omni, bidirectional. Then here at the bottom, guys, you'll see it has a 0 latency headphone output, USB mini jack. Then it has a standard threaded mic stand mount. Custom base. This is the custom base with cable management. The Yeti is one of the most advanced and versatile multi-pattern USB microphones available anywhere. Combining 3 capsules and 4 different pattern settings, the Yeti is the ultimate tool for creating amazing recordings directly to your computer. Delivering exceptional sound and performance, the Yeti can capture anything with a clarity and ease unheard of in a USB microphone. Cool. So it can be used in recording and streaming applications. Wow. So game streaming, Skype and Discord, podcast, voiceovers, for conference calls, field recordings, events for orchestras, interviews, instruments, vocal duets, vocals, and some ensemble choir instruments. So the 4 patterns. So guys, the 4 patterns for stereo, you can use it in stereo. For vocals, ensemble choir instrument, and then for bidirectional, interviews, instrument, vocal duets. For omnidirectional, conference calls, field recordings, events, or orchestras. For cardioid, like game streaming, Skype and Discord, podcast, and then voiceover. So that's all what's inside, guys. So our mic, our beautiful Blue Yeti mic, how beautiful our mic here. Okay. And then the cord and the manual. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video.